Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a fresh and vibrant recipe that's perfect for any occasion. A tomato and cucumber salad. This salad is not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy, packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make it. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. Fresh tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, red onion, feta cheese, fresh basil, olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper. These simple ingredients come together to create a salad that's both refreshing and satisfying. Begin by slicing your tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. You can use any variety of tomatoes you like, but I find that juicy heirloom tomatoes work especially well in this salad. Next, chop your cucumbers into similar-sized pieces. I prefer English cucumbers for the crisp texture and mild flavor, but you can use any variety you have on hand. Now, thinly slice some red onion to add a bit of zing to the salad. If you're not a fan of raw onion, you can soak the slices in cold water for a few minutes to mellow out their flavor. Once your vegetables are prepared, it's time to assemble the salad. Start by placing the tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onion in a large mixing bowl. Next, crumble some tangy feta cheese over the top. The creamy texture of the cheese adds a wonderful contrast to the crisp vegetables. Now, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together some olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, and pepper. This simple dressing enhances the natural flavors of the vegetables without overpowering them. Once the dressing is well combined, drizzle it over the salad. To finish off our salad, tear some fresh basil leaves and scatter them over the top. The fragrant basil adds a pop of color and a burst of freshness that ties everything together beautifully. And there you have it, a vibrant and delicious tomato and cucumber salad that's ready to serve. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this simple yet flavorful salad. If you give it a try, be sure to let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!